Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing video. Victoria's Secret actually sent me something, so I haven't paid for this one. They just sent me this as a gold card member. So it says just for a gold card member, and I kind of like opened the box already and like was so curious about what's inside. So I'm gonna show it to you guys what's inside this box. So what's inside the box is this. So it says, thank you for being a gold member. Your health and well-being is our #1 priority. We are thinking of you. Stay safe and be well. Happy holidays and season. Love, Pink. All right. So what's inside the box is actually, like what I said, I kind of, like looked at it already. And the box has this. And what's inside is a mask right there. And also they sent me a mini sanitizer. Actually, when they sent this to me, I looked online and I saw this, that they were actually selling it for like, I think $13.50 for a set of a mini sanitizer and this pink seamless mask. So, and also they included a $25 off coupon when you purchase $125 using your Victoria's Secret pink credit card. So yeah, so nothing in this box anymore. So I have bought this one before, this one that has like a seam. Oops, it's upside down. So this one, and like that, this one is very comfortable and it actually covers like your whole face and everything like that. So I like this. I've been using this. Has like, I think I have a review already of this mask, and if you haven't watched it, I'm gonna put the link up here. And so we're gonna open this one. So it has also an adjustable strap, ear strap, and it's what they call a seamless mask. So this one, it doesn't have a seam in the front. It just looks like a round mask because of there's no seam, that it looks like a round mask. The inside lining though, I don't know what you call it. It's not a, I don't think it's like that fabric though. It's not the same as this one. Like this one is really like a nice satiny fabric. This one is just like a lining, like a white lining. I don't know what do you call this. This one is a little bit thicker than this one. This one's a little thin, and this one has a like kind of like a wire in the nose part that you can actually adjust or maybe pinch it when you're using it. This one doesn't have any because this one has a seam and it actually like covers all the way here to here. This one, let's try. So the pink logo is here. Looks like a bra cup. That's what I call it. It's like a bra cup. And it has like over here has like kind of like an elastic and yeah, round. And this is where the wire is from here up to here. So when you pinch it like that, it could actually like get tighter in the nose part. So let's try it. Okay, so you can adjust the ear strap. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So it covers up to here and up to here, right there. and then it covers all the way down. It's just kind of little loose. It's kind of loose down here by the chin, but it's fine. You can actually like pull it up and then pinch it in the nose part so that there's no air or whatever droplets. Yeah. The lining inside, it's fine. It's just that I feel like this is like more, I don't know how to say it. This is like it doesn't feel itchy, but when it's kind of rough. This one's softer inside. You know what I mean? This lining is softer inside. This one, because of it is not a fabric lining, but it's something like I don't know how to explain it. But when you see it, you will notice that this one is not like a regular fabric. I feel like, I don't know if it could easily, you can kind of like, I think like if I pull this all the way, I could tear it. Like, you know, like if I pull it hard, I could tear this part. But this one is a fabric, so you know, like it's a real fabric. So I don't know what you call this one. I don't know what you call this, but I know it's like a lining. Yeah, so and then the sanitizer, the mini sanitizer, it says it's called the Island Island Palm hand sanitizer, antibacterial hand spray with aloe, and it has a 72% alcohol. It's not a gel, it's alcohol. Just one spray. That smells sweet. It smells sweet. Like, I don't know, but it smells like the mist. It's very sweet. It's like the I forgot, but it's really sweet. It's like, you know, the purple mist that I have. So I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot. But this is very sweet. It looks like this, like that. And this one is fine. I'm fine with it. Like, if you only gonna wear it for like maybe an hour or so, if you run an errands, if you go out and all that, this is fine. But I would still prefer to wear this one because of the soft lining fabric inside instead of like this one, you know. So that's it, you guys. That's our video for today. So I'm not sure if they also send these packages or these free sanitizers and face masks for all of the Victoria's Secret card members. I'm not sure. Maybe. So if you're a Victoria's Secret and pink card member or credit card holder, then watch out for yours. Maybe they also send you one. Thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!